If you can just love it, if you can just love it, today, the topic we are looking at today is algebra, and that is about fractions, algebraic fractions. So I'm going to be putting some questions up now. I will solve them. After solving, I'll give you the ones that you will attempt in your WhatsApp, and once you're through, you now message me back so that we can start off with the English class, or probably we'll firstly look at correction into that assignment. So listen to every bit of this explanation. Algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions. So if we are looking at algebraic fractions, looking at using letters and numbers together, or using letters, alphabets to represent number. Can you hear me now? Let me know if you are hearing me so that we can move on, we can get going. Are you hearing me? Hello, Chris. Don't think she's there anymore. Let me see. Here is the number one question that we want to solve, but I'll show you there. Let me know once you get back there. I will stop sharing the screen now. Then when you come back online, I'll start sharing. I want to believe she's going to join soon. If she didn't join, that will be another day. So are you there now? Can you hear me? Are you ready now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are ready. So this, if you see anything like this, you are multiplying, and you've been told before that negative times positive is negative. Definitely 2 times 5 is 10. So I have minus 10 x squared y as my answer to this. Minus 10 x squared y is my answer to this one. So I'm going to solve another one. Now you can put that down because there won't be video for you when you are trying to solve your own. Put the solution to that down, then I will give you more right now before I give you your own to solve. So let's look at the second one. Number 2 says so number 2 says you should expand and simplify this one. When you see anything like this, you will open your bracket, then you simplify. Okay, before you even open the bracket, you can simplify what is in the bracket first. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so simplify what's in the bracket. I have 6 minus 5 here. 6 minus 5. So this is x and this is 2x. So x minus 2x. Then this is y. Plus y plus 2. So I can see 6 minus 5 into x minus 2x is negative x, then plus y plus 2. Then the minus 5 opens the bracket. I have 6 plus 5x minus 5y minus 10. Then I have 5x minus 5y plus 6 minus 10. So I can now have the other side now like this. Say 5x minus 5y. 6 minus 10 is what? Tracy, what is 6 minus 10?
Minus 4.
So minus 4. Then I can, I can still factorize this one, or either I leave it like this, 5 factorial and say 5 is common to this side. So I have 5 into x minus y and minus 4. That's my final answer. So if it's an objective, you don't see the first one, see the second one. So let's see if we're going to look at one more.
So I want to ask something.
Yes, ask.
Number one, is it x? I don't, the question is somehow.
Number one is what?
Is it 2x? Is
Okay.
it 2xx?
No. It is 2x times 5xy.
Okay.
So you can see from the solution that I did, you multiply 2 and 5, then x and x and y, then y also. So the third one, which is number 3, before I give you what you're going to do, then you let me know via WhatsApp when you are through. I have this, which is 5x plus y into 2x minus 3y. 5x plus y into 2x minus 3y. So to solve this, we are just simply going to expand the bracket by using 5x first, multiply the second bracket 2x minus 3y, then plus y in the first bracket, multiply the second bracket 2x minus 3y. Then you open your bracket and say 10x minus 15y plus 2xy minus 3y squared. So here you can say this is x, this is y, this is xy, and this is y squared. So they are not the same. X and y are different. 2xy and y squared are also different. So this is probably your answer because you can go further by simplifying. So this into this and the other. So that is the solution to that. Put it down before I clear the screen. So this other one says expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. So I've cleared the screen there. So number 4. What happened? So number 4 says we expand and simplify this one while there's a square on the bracket. Follow it, make sure you are listening. So I have 4 into all of this. You can't open the bracket immediately without expanding the square. So 4 into 2x minus 3y also into 2x minus 3y. That's the meaning of the square. Can you hear me, Tracy?
Yes, I can.
So I can now open the bracket by saying 4 into a big bracket. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then 2x times 3 minus 3y is minus 6y. Then minus 3y times 2x is also minus 6xy. So minus 6xy. Then minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. So plus 9y squared. So this time around you have 4 into 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. Then the 4 outside the bracket can now open up. Then you have 16 x squared. That's 16x squared minus 48xy plus 26y squared. So that is the answer to that. Let's see the next one that we have. Let's move on. So the next one, before I clear that screen again.
Oh my god. What the?
So it says, yes, what are you saying? Can I hear you?
How did you get
How did I get what?
9? How did you get 9y squared?
I multiply 3 times 3 is 9. Minus is plus. Okay? Then y times y is y squared. I think
But there's 2.
There's what again?
6y. 6xy is 2 that is there.
6 plus 6 is what?
12.
And that's where I get it 12xy. What are you asking?
Oh.
Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. So for this other one, there's a square outside here. Square outside the bracket. So I'm going to click now. So I have power of 2 here. So that means I have -4 into 3a minus 5b. But there's a shortcut to this. Let me just clear this. Listen to the shortcut before we start asking question now. So the shortcut is -4 into, look at the first thing in the bracket. What's the first thing in the bracket? What's the first thing in the bracket?
30.
What's the first thing in the bracket?
3A.
What do you call it?
3A.
3a. So what is 3a times 3a?
6A.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Then the other one, multiply 2 by 3a by 5b. What do you have? 2 times 3a times 5b. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is what? 30. So minus 30 ab. Then multiply the last one. Minus times minus is what? Plus. What is 5 times 5? And what is b times b? So if you expand this, I will leave you to go and expand this. If you expand the bracket, you're going to get this. Okay? You can see I've shown you how to expand here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you try to expand by saying 3a minus 5b times 3a minus 5b, it's going to give you this bracket. So just try that. But let me explain what I have done again. I pick the first 3a, I square it, I write the answer here, that's the first answer. Then I use 2, multiply 3a and 5b. I put the minus there. That's what gives me the middle answer. Then I put minus times minus, that is minus 5b squared. So minus 5b times minus 5b gave me my third answer. So go and work that out and see whether if you expand, it's going to give you. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So you are going to use 4 to the bracket now. So -4 rather. So -4 times 9 is what, Tracy?
Minus 36.
Okay, -4 times minus 30 AB. What do you have? 30 times 4 is 120 AB. Then -4 times 25. What is 4 times 25? That is 100. Yes or no? So you have minus 100 B squared. So this will be your final answer after expansion. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much. I'm going to end this class now and send you some work. Then that means tomorrow we're going to go into the proper fractions that involve algebra or algebra involving fractions. Is that taken? Is that taken? So when I send you the work that you're going to do, once you are done with the work, let me know by your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for being a part of the class. Yes. Give me the word that means the same thing as every day.
Doesn't mean anything, right? She be in the touch every day.
Yes, the word is every day. So give me the word that means the same thing. I mean, similar in meaning. The word every day.
Maybe every time. Every time. I think
No.
What? Every daily basis.
No.
Regularly.
Yes, think. Because that's what we're going to do today.
Every day, regularly.
Okay, if I say he takes his drugs every day. So use another word to replace every day.
Regularly.
regularly, but
No.
I want you to reflect that it is every day. So give me a word that will replace every day. It takes his drug, or you have to take this drug every day.
You have to take this
So use another
on
word.
daily basis.
Use another word. What did you just say?
Daily.
Yes,
No.
that is daily.
Okay.
Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
Aha. So get ready now. Ejiro, get ready for your question as we start. We'll share the screen with you.
On daily basis. You didn't spit it out. No, not just now before the first place. You didn't spit it out. No, I told you. So on daily basis. Yeah.
I heard that you said daily. Yes, I heard. Now, Ejiro, this is your question. Option A. You have just 10 seconds. Ejiro, choose the word that means the same thing as the underlined word.
Period. Proud.
A, B, C, or D. She bows to no one because of her dignity and pride. So give me a word that replaces dignity. Your time is...
Self-confident.
Which option?
Self-confident.
Option. Give me your option. A, B, C, D. Option A. And you are sure? Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's correct. So can you hear me now? Yes, can you hear me now? Hello? Are you hearing me? So that we can move on. Hello, are you hearing me? Okay, I think you can't hear me there. So you have to join again. Okay, are you hearing me now? Hello, Ejiro and Tracy, are you hearing me? So that we can move on. Are you hearing me now so we can move on? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What is
Okay.
the correct answer?
Okay, let me show you the answer again. Can you see the question now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the correct answer.
Sir,
Yes, that is correct. So Tracy, over to you. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. You said what?
That is A.
That's correct. Ejiro, here comes your home. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Sir, I can't hear you. I didn't see it on time, but you already reached it, so. Now you can think your new check.
Continue, girl. Yes.
Great question, but just look at the underline. Just go straight to my point.
I'm waiting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
C.
C. Okay. Can you see your answer? That's correct there. Look at this. Okay. Now, Tracy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. A, okay.
Oh, graceful.
Gracefully.
Okay.
Gracefully. Now, Ejiro, over to you. Yes, Ejiro. Jack thought that it was a great injustice that girls' food were earrings while boys did not. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you there? Can you hear me? I'm not sure you can hear me right now. Are you hearing me right now? Hello, are you there now? Okay, I think you have to connect again. Yes, that's a question. Pick your answer. Yes, I'm waiting. Pick your answer.
Visa.
D. All right, let me show you the correct answer.
I don't know. When you do the D, probably makes you very confident.
Let me show you the correct answer. You can see the correct answer, yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
So, injustice means when you are doing partial, okay? When you are being partial, it thought it's a partial that girls will wear earring that boys do not wear. Okay, Tracy. Over to you. It's interesting this project has declined after quite possible. Yes.
Oh God. It went down.
What do you say? That's correct.
Thank you.
So, the next one, Ejiro. After a long period of work, Kevin wanted to find a peaceful corner in his room where he could feel like paradise, take rest. So, ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. B. Paradise. All the three words are, painful experiences like agony, anguish, and inferno. Inferno is like a fire burning. Anguish, like, anger and all sorts of bad experiences. Agony is also pain, feeling pain. For paradise.
Yeah,
Tracy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, over. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yarn from
Remark.
Is that your final answer?
No. Size. Remark. C. What?
Crave
I
for
mean, D.
more.
Is D last?
Crave for more.
Yes,
Crave
it's D.
for more. Crave for more. He craves
Sir,
for
is
more.
D.
It's crave, crave.
Oh, okay. Oh, the play the again.
Now for
I was thinking that is a question.
A0.
Sir, I'm not seeing the screen.
A0, you can see the screen now.
No.
Why?
Okay.
Are you seeing it now?
No. No. They're just showing cataract. No! So stupid, fast.
What are you saying?
I can't see it.
You can't see the screen? Then stop touching it. Stop touching it. Okay? Now let me share the screen again.
Okay, sir.
So I believe, yes, I believe you are seeing it now. A0,
Yes,
pick your
sir.
answer. Pick your answer. Who is that singer? Who is that choir mistress? A0, your time is. What's your up? Hey. That's correct. Tracy, over to you. Most athletes have to stay in physical shape so they seldom eat junk food. Yes. Correct. So what's your answer? 7, 6, 5,
8. Sir,
8. That's wrong. It means they don't usually eat junk food. They don't usually. That is scarcely. They don't usually eat junk food. Is that taken? A0. She climbed up when I asked her about her ex-boyfriend. Maybe she didn't want to talk about it. A, B, C, or D? What do you call it? What do you call your answer?
D.
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 That's correct there.
Wow.
That's correct.
That's D.
Yes, Tracy, over to you. Tracy, it was peculiar to say nobody in school, even though it's... Yes.
In the school, you want to.
8,
Weird.
7,
B.
B, right?
Yeah.
That's correct. Now, A0, over to you. Pick your answer. If you are more creative than others in this company, you are now third. Now, continue. What's your answer?
Wait.
Yes, what's your answer? What's your answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes,
I think it's A. I mean it's D. I think it's D.
No. An outcast is a stranger. Tracy, over to you. Tracy? While others eat luxurious and expensive food, Mike is content with a physical glass orange juice. A, B, C, D. 5, 4, 3. What do you say? Are you sure? Is that your final answer?
So sure, sir.
That's correct. A0, over to you. We could barely understand what John was saying because he was murmuring all the time. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ejiro, can you hear me there? I'm waiting. You can answer if you can hear me. I'm waiting for you. Yes. What's your answer? Your time is gone. Correct answer to that is mumbling. Mumbling. Believe you're gonna hear me, you're gonna join back. While because he has such good friends and family, Malcolm considered himself fortunate. The word synonymous to fortunate here is to be lucky. Lucky. And also is verse 17. That doesn't want his broken air conditioner anymore. So he thinks of discarding it. Discarding simply means you want to throw it away. And the next one, it is feared that people living near the power station may have been exposed to radiation. Exposed simply means contacted something. And the next one, having been working for hours without stopping, he suddenly collapsed. Last thing fell in, died, or cold evil. And the last one there, unsatisfied with your deal. Satisfied, the word that means the same as satisfied there is content. Content. So I believe this is where we're going to be rounding up the class for today. Then make sure you don't waste any time tomorrow when you join, so that we can cover a great deal of work. So do have a nice time. Tracy, I can't hear you there, even though you didn't participate. And Ejiro, are you there now? Okay, goodbye for topics. Our next topic is number base in ICT. So I'm going to be sharing the screen now. So you're going to see number base in ICT. Number base in ICT. I need to make that a little bit. See. Okay. See. Turn up the character a bit. This is better. Probably just follow back. So number base in IC. When you're talking about number base, we're talking about different number system, and in ICT we'll be looking basically at 4 categories of numbers. First is base 2, followed by base 8, and followed by base 10. So base 2 numbers, so base 2 numbers, there are numbers you can see in base 2. Base 2 simply means it allows 2 digits, and the 2 digits are 0s and 1. Apart from 0 and 1, you cannot see any other one. It's 2. So we can talk about base 8 now. So if there is base 3, or let me say if I have base 3, just branch that place. Base 3, it's going to be 0, 1, and 2. So there are 3 digits there, but 3 does not exist. So the same thing with if I go to base 8, that will be from 0 to 7. Base 8, I have 0 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that is about base 8. But if we are talking about base 10, okay, we are looking at 4, like I said, but base 3 is not part of them. We're looking at base 10. Base 10. Then we're talking about 0 to 9. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, the last one we're talking about is base 16. Base 16. So talking about base 16. Base 16 is from 0 to 15, but actually from 0 to 9 before we start representing with alphabet. 0 to 9, then we start representing with the alphabet. So I can have 0, 1 to 9. See. So after 9, I use alphabet. I use alphabet A for 10, then B, then C, then D, then E. So that is 10, 11, 12, 14, and finally 15. 15. So this is what we use in ICT. These are the. And another name for base 2 is call it binary. Binary numbers. Binary. Base 2 means binary. So, like I said, we are not concerned about this order. And base 8, call it octal. Octal number system. Octal number system. While base 10, base 10 has 2 other names. I will call it decimal or denary. Decimal, we call it decimal, or we call it denary. Denary. So with that, we're able to for base 16, the other name it has is hexadecimal. Yes, what I call it? Hexadecimal. So hexadecimal. So that's base 16. Hexadecimal. So just take note of this. You can put it down straight away while we move up. So on the number base, the very first thing we need to look at is how to convert from one base to another. How to convert numbers. No. How to convert numbers from one base to another. Yeah, that's the next topic. Let's convert numbers from one base to another. And this is very simple. You just need to focus on the steps. And there are 3 headlines we'll be looking at. The first headline is conversion from base 10 to other bases, because we are familiar with base 10 number. Conversion from base 10 to other bases. So if I have a number that I want to convert from base 10 to any other given base, say base 2, base 8, or base 16 as the case may be, I want to convert from base 10 to any other base. I am going to divide the given number by the base I am converting it to. Let me say that again. I'm going to divide the given number by the base that I am converting it to. Let's take an example. Example 1. So convert 24 is 10 to base 2. So I'm to convert 24 base 10 to base 2. 4 base 10, changing it to base 2. Or let me on. So let's try. So convert 24 base 10 to base 2. Just listen to the explanation. That's your base 10. You can write it like 10, very small, or you can write it in words like this. Right? 10, T-E-N, very small to the 24. But let me prefer to write it in a bigger, so that's base 10. So I have to convert 24 base 10 to base 2. I said divide by the base you are taking it to. That's the step. So the step is to divide by 2. So I'm going to clear this screen now and continue. So as I clear the screen, I want to divide. So how do I divide it? I want to divide this. I want to divide the 24 that I was given. I want to divide it by 2 that I'm clicking it. So here is something I have. I have 24 is the number. Look at the board and focus on what you're learning. 24 is the number which I'm dividing by 2. So how many 2 is in 2? 1. How many 2 is in 4? 2. What does it remain? 0. So how many 2 is in 12? 6. What does it remain? 0. How many 2 is in 3? Is in 6? 3. What does it remain? So how many 2 is in 3? 1. What does it remain? 1. So since it remains 1, and this is now less than what I'm using to divide, I stop it there. Then I will count everything all the way from here to the top, following this direction. So since this is what I have, I will now say 24 base 10 is now equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. The instruction is to convert 24 from base 10. Hello, who is that noise maker there? The instruction is to convert 24 from base 10 to base 2. So, and I said the step is to divide by the given base, which is base 2. Now, that is the headline. The headline says how to convert from base 10 to other bases. That is one. So put this down, I will continue. I'm going to clear the screen now. Be fast with that. I will clear the screen while I put up the second example 2. Number 2, let me try to divide this or better still, undo that and move this. this to the side. That we can see that. So I want to divide the screen now so that we can solve one more question, then we'll go to your class. We are going to continue from there. The next example, you have to convert that's a 98 from base 10 to base 2 also. Let's say this is what we have. Convert 98 from base 10 to base 2. 98 from base 10. Again, we are going to divide by, okay, that's number 2. So we're going to divide by the given base. And what is the given base that we're given now? Base what? Base what? Very good. Base 2. So we're going to now divide by that 2. So 98 we have there. Then divided. So I have something like this. So 98 is the figure by 2. How many 2 in 9? That is 4. Remainder 1. How many 2 in 18? That is 9. 0. How many 2 in 2? In 4? 2. In 9? 4. Remainder 1. So how many 2 here? 1. Remainder nothing. So how many 2 here? 2. 0. How many 2 here? 6. Remainder 0. 2 here? 3. Remainder 0. 2 here? 1. Remainder 1. So is that I write it like this, or I just say 2 here 0? No, remainder 1. If I didn't do it in the first case, it doesn't really make any difference, It doesn't make any difference. So if I go forward to this other step, if I should move to this other step, then I just pick my answer from bottom top. But if I didn't get there, then I'll pick my answer from this side up. So my answer now is going to be 98 is 10 equals to 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 in base 2. Is that clear to you now? Is it clear to everyone up? I can't hear you. Okay. So by this, we come to the end of today's class. Do you have any question based on this question? No question. So I'm going to stop the class now. Then I'll come back by the next period. That'll be next week. I will stop. So wait.